What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be kind of just a reshoot for a video that I was planning on doing when I originally picked up the G8 from D&E Alignment. Unfortunately, I shot a kind of like a first drive after the install review video when I picked it up, and the footage from inside the vehicle somehow got corrupt when I transferred it over to my computer. So today's just kind of be like a little redo for that. I still have the footage from outside the vehicle, which is nice because I'll include those clips at the end. I did a nice little backcountry drive on my way back to my house from D&E Alignment. So overall, the suspension is, so far, I mean, I've been driving on it for 4 days now, and I mean, it's a night and day difference from what I originally had. I absolutely love it. HR coilovers feel awesome. The ride quality is super nice. It's not harsh like I originally thought it would be. Like I figured it'd be like a really sporty, like super harsh drive. Like it's not like that at all. You definitely feel that it's a lot more sporty, but it's not harsh like you'd expect with that type of like coilover, like a sportier type suspension. You'd expect a harsher drive on everyday roads. And honestly, that's not how this is at all, which is a big surprise to me. And then, I mean, everything else just complements the coilovers really well. Car feels way more planted. You'll see it in the clips, and I wasn't going balls to the walls on that drive back, but I was having a little bit of fun with the car and tested its limits a little bit, but nothing too crazy, and it was carving up those roads with no issues at all. I definitely recommend these coilovers and the suspension setup to any G8 owners out there that are looking for a new suspension, or like want a sportier ride, but also want to keep the good ride quality of a stock suspension, because that's honestly what this feels like. It feels like stock suspension ride quality, where you're getting, or like stock springs and shocks ride quality, where it sucks up a lot of the road bumps, but you still have a really sporty suspension ride to it. So, and then huge shout out to D&E Alignment for the install. I mean, they did a great job. I actually need to go back to them here in a few days. One, to get everything checked out, make sure nothing's like coming out of place or backing out or anything, and then also to get my sway bar installed, because little did we know, I didn't check for it and needed a day before they started the install. BMR didn't pack the bushings for the sway bar in the box, and that was an oversight on my part, oversight on their part, but I had the bushings in the trunk now. BMR got them out here super quick. They're like, oh yeah, we sent them priority, no big deal, like sorry about the mix up, which it happens. I mean, I ordered during the busiest time of the year for everyone, so I ordered all these parts on Black Friday, and I'm just now getting to the install. So it is what it is. They were super cool about it. Sent them out. I think they came out, like, they got here in like 2 days, priority mail, so no big deal. I'll take the car back down to D&E Alignment later this week and get the sway bar installed, and I'm sure the car will feel even better, because right now I've got no sway bar in the rear. The end links are zip tied to the control arms, and we're just kind of winging it. So I'm sure the car will feel even better once I get the sway sway bar in there, so I can't wait for that. That's pretty much quick down and dirty on my thoughts of the new suspension setup. Super pleased with it. Can't wait to put more miles on it and even tear up some canyon roads here soon. Maybe I'll take it out to Palomar Mountain or something like that. Get some good canyon driving in, and that'll be fun. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.